Do you wish you could learn from the very best technology, routing, switching, and security experts in the industry? Did you know most IT firms in the world are powered by Cisco devices? Is your goal to become Cisco CCNA certified, that is, Cisco Certified Network Associate?
Are you looking to refresh your foundational CCNA routing and switching knowledge? Are you looking for a rewarding career change and don't know where to start? Flackbox CCNA course by Neil Anderson is a globally recognized associate-level course. If you want to pursue a career as a network engineer, then the CCNA course is for you.
A network is the establishment of communication between a computer or a device with another device. In the case of the establishment of this network, only that we communicate within an office, but it is not. We establish communication between one office and another, establish communication between one country and another, and Total is taught in the Flackbox CCNA course to establish this global communication.
This course will cover basic to networking devices, IP subnetting, router and switch configurations, networking fundamentals, OSI and TCP IP models, VLANs, trunking, and inter-VLAN routing, IPv4 and IPv6 addressing and subnetting, routing protocols like OSPF, NAT, ACLs and security basics, wireless LANs and WAN technologies, automation and programmability basics.
At the end of this course, you can become globally certified. In IT-limited companies such as ISP, IEG, or NTTN or IT Limited, your priority is the most in the job of any organization. So join Flackbox CCNA course by Neil Anderson without delay. Limited seating remains. Enrollment link is provided in the description. Gain the skills and certifications you need for your new rewarding technology engineering career.